Changing your gamertag on Xbox One isn't rocket science, but it does confuse a lot of people. It's one of those things buried in menus that aren't super user-friendly. Let me show you how to do it step by step. First off, let's talk about why people even want to change their gamertag. Maybe you made your Xbox account when you were 13 and thought XX Snipe King XX was cool. Now you're 27, and yeah, not so much. You're not alone. Here's the good news. You get one free gamertag change if it's your first time since creating your account. After that, Xbox charges you. It's $9.99 for most users, but that's a small price to ditch the cringe of the past. Start by grabbing your Xbox controller and hitting the Xbox button in the center, a move we've all done a million times. Navigate to Profile and System and then click on Settings. This is the starting point. Under Settings, scroll down and select Account. From there, you'll see an option that says Personalization. Click that and then select My Profile. This is where you'll find the option for your gamertag. Click on Customize Profile and you'll see your current gamertag with a Change Gamertag button below it. Hit that and Xbox will guide you to the next step, which involves checking availability for your new name. Now, here's where it gets tricky. You might think you've landed the perfect new gamertag, but Xbox has a system to avoid duplicates. If your chosen name is taken, they'll tack some random numbers onto the end. Not ideal, but it works. Pro tip, try to be original. Adding an underscore or a slight variation to your desired name can help you avoid numbers being slapped on. Something like Night Hunter might be taken, but Night Hunter might not. Once you've selected a name, Xbox will confirm if it's available. If it's your first change, you're golden. But if you've changed it before, you'll be prompted to make the $9.99 payment. Quick and painless. After the transaction, or lack of one if it's free, your gamertag will update immediately. You might need to log out and back in to see it everywhere on Xbox, but generally, it's a fast process. Now, here's a heads up. Your old gamertag doesn't fully disappear. People who already added you as a friend might see it for a while, but your new one becomes your primary identifier. It's like rebranding yourself. That's it. You've officially upgraded from your questionable teenage identity on Xbox Live. It's surprisingly satisfying, like shedding an old skin. Just make sure your new gamertag feels authentic, because nobody likes paying $9.99 twice.